In this video, I'll show you how you can change the units of measurement on your OnePlus Watch 4. Now for this, you need to use the O Health application on your device. So all you have to do is on your smartphone, launch the O Health app, and then tap on the devices at the bottom right corner. And then from here, simply scroll down and choose Workout and Health, tap on it, and then scroll down until you find the units of measurement right here, as you can see. So tap on that option, and then there are a couple of things you can change. So you can change the height. You can tap on that option, and then you can choose either in centimeters or in feet and inches. You can choose the one that you prefer. The same goes for weight. You can choose kilos or pounds. The same goes for the length. You can choose metric, which is kilometer or meter, or imperial, which is foot, inch, or yard. So choose the option that you prefer. The same goes for calories. You can select that. And also you can choose the wrist temperature, which you can choose either Celsius or Fahrenheit. So choose the option that you prefer. And once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.